Convectional onset in ferrofluid layer through a Darcy-brinkman porous medium. This chapter considers the analysis of the instabilities of convection through a porous medium in a layer of incompressible ferrofluid when the layer is subjected to a uniform magnetic field along with an external heat source. The Darcy-brinkman model is used to study porous media. The perturbation method is used in combination with the normal mode method to analyze the influence of various integrated factors involved in the stability-instability of the considered system. The case of exponential variation in stratification is considered, and the dependence of the growth rate on the kinematic viscosity, medium porosity, medium permeability, heat source, Darcy-brinkman number, and Alfvén squared velocity is also analytically demonstrated. The cases of stable stratification and unstable stratification are also analysed to determine the stabilisation as well as destabilisation effects of the system under certain constraints. Introduction. Fluids that respond to both heat and magnetic fields are fascinating to scientists and engineers because of their many uses. One such fluid is called a ferrofluid, a liquid that contains tiny magnetic particles. These fluids can be controlled by magnets and are used in areas like loudspeakers, medical treatments, sensors, and advanced machinery. This study focuses on how a layer of ferrofluid behaves when it is heated from below, influenced by a magnetic field, and contains an internal source of heat. The fluid is also contained within a porous medium, which is a material full of tiny holes, similar to a sponge, that lets fluids pass through. Porous materials are important in many natural and industrial processes, such as oil recovery, groundwater flow, and cooling systems. When a fluid is heated, it can become unstable and start to move in patterns known as convection currents. These currents can be affected by factors like magnetic forces, heat sources inside the fluid, and the way the fluid interacts with the porous material. In this work, we investigate how all these factors together influence when and how the fluid starts moving. We use a mathematical approach, applying known models for porous media, Darcy-brinkman theory, and solving the governing equations with perturbation methods. This helps predict the critical conditions under which the fluid will shift from being still to moving in convection patterns. The results provide a better understanding of how magnetic fluids behave in complex environments, which can help improve technologies in engineering, environmental science, and even medical applications. By knowing how to control these instabilities, we can design more efficient systems for heat transfer, energy production, and advanced industrial processes. Conclusion. This study examines when a special magnetic fluid, called ferrofluid, starts moving due to heating, while it flows through a sponge-like material known as a porous medium. We use mathematical tools to understand how heat, dissolved substances, and magnetic effects work together to trigger this motion, called convection. By applying a stability analysis and a method called the normal mode approach, we find a formula, dispersion relation, that links key factors, known as thermal and solute Rayleigh numbers, that control when convection begins. We also explore the special case where the fluid moves without any overall drift, called stationary convection, and find how these two Rayleigh numbers are related. From this, we can calculate the critical values of these numbers, which mark the exact point where the fluid becomes unstable for different physical conditions. These results help predict and control convection in magnetic fluids for various applications. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.